Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Pragyan Pradhan, your Indian Kinfluencer, bringing you all type of Korean content. This monthly mission topic is Meot of Korea. Meot means stylishness, charm, and elegance. I have already made 2 videos on this topic. Please have a watch and let's get started. Today I'm going to make a paper craft hanbok. So if you guys don't know what is a hanbok is a traditional Korean clothing. As you guys already know what is the monthly mission topic, that is what is Meot of Korea. So I think this is the best way to explain the word Meot because the traditional Korean clothing gives a very beautiful charm and elegance. So in today's video I am making a paper hanbok. It is very easy to make and please watch the whole video to know how to make a paper hanbok. It is almost ready and here it is. Ta-da! It looks so cute, you know. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss my video, and comment below your thoughts. Bye!